The Rigby Taylor Partner Programme is a service facilitation scheme whereby Rigby Taylor link up with the end user with appropriate contractors who can fulfil the task requirements. The partner companies are all assessed across a range of criteria. We chose to work with Parkway. Parkway were known to Rigby Taylor as a quality local service provider of many years standing and were seen as a good regional partner to work with. Rigby Taylor's tiny line marking machine is hugely effective in comparison to manual labour. It's a fully autonomous machine that allows to deliver complete consistency of accuracy, marking and paint usage. Just an idea of the average accuracy would be 10 mil within 100 metres. In regards to the benefits of the robot, again, it allows complete accurate marking with control over paint output, allowing managers staff flexibility, management options that are just not possible via conventional means. In order to qualify, Parkway had to complete comprehensive quality checks, provide evidence of works carried out, with access to independent referees who would also verify the quality of works. We would definitely recommend Parkway as a partner. They've got long experience of the quality of service provided from both customers and other contractors' feedback.